Chef Ricardo cooking show is amazing to be in the kitchen, guys. Remember, it's coming up to also winter. Basically, a lot of my fans and keep asking me, Chef Ricardo, can I give us some salad? We need some salad. We need salad. A lot of people want to be healthy. A lot of people want to be healthy. And you know why? You know why I want to give my fans them some salad recipe. From Monday, we're gonna start kick off 1 week salad bar. And I know you guys gonna love it. You know why? Because I have a lot of ideas in salad and different ideas where you can make salad your own, and you can bring it to work. You can share it with your friend, with your co-worker, you know what I mean? Different people, and you can share it with our neighbor. So next week we're gonna start off 1 week salad bar from Chef Ricardo and the team. Different kind of salad every day. Every day we're gonna put up one salad, which is gonna be totally different. Different recipe gonna be going up as usual for the other fans then. But this is for some of the fans that we keep asking for salad. We're gonna give you some salad, guys, which gonna blow your brain. Thank you so much for watching my cooking show, guys. It's amazing. We love you, and you know what I mean, we have a lot more stuff coming out. Whole heap of things coming out for you guys. Whole heap of things. Remember, next month is Black History Month. Yes, Black History Month is next month. Coming up with different recipe, different ideas for that, and also look out forward for that, which is gonna come up next month. Thank you so much, and listen, remember, share, subscribe, and like, and also 50% off of a cookbook on Amazon, and also my website chefricardocooking.com. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and Google Plus page. Thank you so much, guys. We love you, and we appreciate every chip, every second, every minute you subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. Thank you so much. We know that we are backlog at the moment with the comments, but you know what I mean, Chef Ricardo work and the team work also, so we just do this for the fans then, but we cook every day. Thank you so much, and remember, 1 week salad bar from Chef Ricardo and the team. Thank you so much, and see you next time. Bye bye.